Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about if conditional statement. Fine. So this if conditional statement is the simplest form of conditional statement. It is what? The simplest form of conditional statement. It is also called as selection statement. In fact, every conditional statements are selection statements because based on some condition you are executing some statements, you are selecting some statements. That is the reason we are calling that every conditional statements are selection statements. Fine. It is used to determine whether a statement or block of statements will be executed or not. The syntax is what? This is the syntax. See, this is if statement. If, then you have to provide the condition. Then this is what? If block. This is what? If block. Inside if block we have statements. So when this statement will execute, execution will take place if the condition is true. If this condition is true, then only execution will take place. Which statement execution? The statements which are present inside the if block. Clear? If it is false, then the execution will not take place, right? The execution will not take place. Make this thing clear. So the decision is based on condition which will give true or false after evaluation. Is this clear? Fine. Let's move and see the flow chart now. So suppose if this we have the condition, right? So condition will give you true or will give you false. So if it is true, then what will happen? Statements present inside body of if will execute. And if it is false, then it will not execute. It will directly come out of the if, right? Here, this point is what? The end of if. End of if. Fine. This point is what? End of if. So then what will execute? Statements present after if block will execute. Fine. So this is the flow. This is the flow chart for if statement. Now let's see the next point. See, if we want to provide single statement as body to if, then curly braces are optional. For example, here we have int age is equal to 21, then we have if statement if age is greater than 21. So what I want to explain you that, see, I want to provide only single statement. I want that, okay, if the condition is true, then execute only this single statement. So in this case, this curly braces are not important. This is optional. In this case, if the number of statement is single, one. Fine. So see, age is what? 21. 21 is greater than 18. So if 21 is greater than 18, it means true. True, right? So if it is true, then you will get the output as you are allowed to vote. Clear? Next. This example, see. I have this if statement. If condition, then statement 1. Then I have statement 2. Tell me, I'm not using this curly braces. So this statement 1 is only the part of this if. If, right? If the condition is true, then statement 1 will execute. And after the statement 1, what will happen? Here, the if end. The role of if end here, right? And then we have statement 2. So based on this, what I can conclude, in the above example, we are not using the curly braces. The condition will be evaluated, which results in either true or false. If it is true, then statement 1 and then if ends. Okay, this if block ends and then statement 2 will execute. Fine. And if it is false, then statement 2 will execute. Clear with the explanation? Fine. So thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel.